Listen carefully. In the next few moments, something shifts. Notice how your body feels when you think about money. And now, notice it beginning to change. Release all anxiety around money right now. I release the fear that there is not enough. I release the belief that money is hard to attract. I release the tension in my chest. I release the old survival story. Pause. This is the moment your money story rewrites itself. Money flows to me naturally. Money flows to me effortlessly. I do not force. I command alignment. Stay with this. I am calm in the presence of wealth. I am steady. I am in control. Every dollar that leaves me returns multiplied. Money expands in my hands. Money grows under my direction. This is the moment your money story rewrites itself. I do not chase money. Money moves toward me. My mind is free from lack. My mind is free from worry. My nervous system is relaxed in abundance. Feel that certainty building. I release the old identity. I step into the powerful one. I am wealthy. I am secure. I am unstoppable. This is the moment your money story rewrites itself. And it is done. And it begins again.